Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine oil and filter on a 2006 Toyota Camry with a 2.4-liter engine. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Chock your rear wheels and lift and support the front end of the car with a jack and jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug and put a catch basin under it. Use a 14mm socket and ratchet to loosen the plug, then remove it by hand. Removing the oil fill cap in the engine bay may help the oil drain more quickly. Remove the old crush washer from the drain plug and discard it. Use a shop towel or rag to wipe off the drain plug and install a new crush washer. Once the oil has drained completely, use a shop towel or rag to wipe down the area around the drain port. Thread the plug back into the port. And use your torque wrench to tighten it to 18 foot-pounds. Now use an oil filter wrench to loosen the filter and allow the excess oil to drain into your catch basin. Before installing your new filter, lubricate its O-ring with a little fresh oil. Wipe down the filter mounting area, then thread it into place by hand. Use your torque wrench and filter attachment to tighten the filter to 10 foot-pounds. Back in the engine bay, if you haven't already, remove the oil fill cap. Add 4.5 quarts of 5W30. Since our Camry has over 75,000 miles, we're adding Syntec Full Synthetic High Mileage. Put the fill cap back in place. And run the engine till it's warm. Check under the car for any leaks. If everything looks good, it's safe to shut off the engine and slide out the catch basin. Lower the front end, and remove the wheel chocks. Double check using the dipstick to make sure the oil level is within the appropriate range. Once you've checked the oil level, you can shut the hood. Here's how to reset your oil change notification if your Camry is not a hybrid. With your ignition turned to on, switch the display to trip meter A. Now set the engine start-stop switch or ignition switch to off while the odometer is showing trip A. While pressing the trip meter reset button on the stem, set the engine start-stop switch or ignition switch to on. If you do not have a multi-information display, continue to press and hold the button until the trip meter displays all zeros. If you do have a multi-information display, continue to press and hold the button until you see a confirmation message on the display. If your Camry is a hybrid, with your ignition turned to on, switch the display to trip meter A. Turn off the hybrid system with the odometer showing trip A. While holding down the trip meter reset knob, turn the power switch to on mode. This message will appear on the display. Hold down the knob for at least 5 seconds. When this message disappears and the master caution indicator light turns off, the reset is complete. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.